First, try doing a traditional restart of your computer. Go ahead and restart it now, and then try to play a video on YouTube again to see if the problem is resolved. If that doesn't do the trick, check your audio devices. If you have any external speakers or microphones connected, make sure they're properly plugged in. You can also try switching to a different USB port to see if that helps. If you're still having issues, open the search menu and type in Device Manager. Once it's open, go to the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. Right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose the default one listed, or go with a specific manufacturer driver if available. Then click Next to update it. Next, open the control panel by searching for it, and set the View By option to large icons in the top right corner. Select Sound and go to the Playback tab. Find your speaker device, then click Properties. In the Enhancements tab, check the box next to Disable All Enhancements, then click Apply and OK. Close everything out, and check if your audio is now working properly. If the problem persists, open the search menu again, type Troubleshoot, and select Troubleshoot Settings. Go to Other Troubleshooters on the right side, and under the Other section, click Video Playback, and run the troubleshooting utility. Follow the prompts to see if it can help resolve the issue. You might also want to run the audio troubleshooter found under Most Frequent. Just follow the on-screen prompts as they're tailored to your specific issue. You can also check online for updated drivers. If you're using Realtek or another specific driver, go to the manufacturer's website to ensure you have the latest version installed. This can sometimes make a big difference. I hope you found the video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.